Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will show you that how to hide mutual friends on Facebook. It's a simple and easy process, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And now you have to simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. And once you are in the settings and privacy section, you have to scroll down. And here you have to tap on how people find and contact you. And here you have to tap on public. Okay, so now here you will see several options to hide your mutual friends. You have to simply tap on only me. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your mutual friends on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.